Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi. Today, I have a delicious recipe for you. Salmon à l'orange and some Brussels sprouts. They are delicious. Now I buy my salmon in slices. I've had it defrosted, and you defrost it under water in about 7 minutes. It's gonna be totally defrosted and ready to cook. So I add a little bit of salt and pepper and some za'atar. I love za'atar. I turn it upside down so that it will absorb all of that orange juice for about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes our Brussels sprouts are very big, and I usually cut them in 4. This makes them cook faster and they're much easier to eat. I'm gonna add the same seasonings as I am adding to my salmon. Some za'atar, a pinch of salt and pepper, and some olive oil. This is all we need. Delicious. So we mix this into our Brussels sprouts, and we just mix them so that they all have this delicious flavor. We have our Brussels sprouts and our salmon all ready to go. So we're gonna place our salmon in our baking pan upside down too, and this way it's gonna cook like heaven. It's gonna cook amazing. Now we place all of this into a baking pan and bake it all at once. You can cook them separately if you have many servings. Spray all of those delicious flavors from the pan, and we're ready to go into the oven. Remember to preheat the oven. Everything's gonna be cooked for 12 minutes at 375. If you haven't preheated the oven, you can add about 7 minutes more. That's it. After it's ready, we have a whole delicious meal, healthy and delicious. It is important that our food always tastes good. This way, everyone's gonna eat at home. I'm doing the honors today. This is a delicious and tender salmon with some amazing Brussels sprouts. Our salmon is super tender and delicious. Here it goes.
Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.